Okay, welcome to Best Car Fixes. Here is Dash Ram 2500. You get a message of fuel cut off after an accident. Fuel cut off in the dashboard. Come here, open this cover, open this one here, and look all the way inside. You will see. You see here. See this place here. This is the fuel cut off of this. So the car crank will not start. After we finish doing it, after we fix it, you see here, car start. Before car crank, no start, fuel cut off signal. We have a misfire, but that's not a big issue. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.